Okay, 101, Los Angeles, California. Anyone got a copy out there? Hey, 101, this is King. Hey, Mr. Green, 510, read your way again. Okay, 278,
Yeah, go on, go 10-7, 278. I didn't want to hear you no way. Go on, go 10-7, 278. I didn't want to hear you no way, and our bank left.
Hey, how about it, Buzzer? How about it, Buzzer? Mr. Buzzer, 101, Los Angeles, trying.
Hello, 101. Hello to you, 101 Buzzard Bank.
Hey, Buzzer, sounding grand on the band like always. Unit 101. So make it what happened.
You know, right, 101. Alright, appreciate it, man. You sounded grand on the band yourself. 101 Buzzard Bank.
I was speaking to him a little while ago, but Sacramento had better conditions. Hey, Baker Man, 1936, I heard you guys had a blast up there. Unfortunately, we weren't able to make it. We were down here with these James boys celebrating their 20th anniversary. You know how that goes. We got to represent their local clubs. Baker Man, 510 in the Mobile, represent the Freedom of Speech Dream Team, and I'm out the way. Thank God, Baker Man.
Don't do that again, Squeaker.
I had a bunch of fun here. Hey, Baker Man, looking forward to... Okay.
I know your key, bro. Don't do that again.
My side, in the good free getter, and I'm out the way. Slam Kush, Oakland, and I'm down. Family from San Francisco. Hello, everybody. Everything got down. Go 10, Miss Austin. 20 up here. Go 10, Miss Austin. Go 10, no doubt about it now. Just got on down. I'll see you. Oh, good. Oh, good. You see something don't want to hurt nobody. Good. I'm back here, tell me.
Alright. I'm glad you back to himself. I was sitting there waiting on you, see how long it was going to take you. You done found the spot or you done pumped up. I'm going to get on out of here before somebody recognize you out there and key on you again. I'm banking left now.
Here I am, baby. Go over to me, here I am.
Alright, 278. Alright, 278. I know you're going to make a move, but it wasn't enough move for that devil. That old devil's out there, and that devil's acting up. Hey, 278, you take care of it super fine when 278 Buzzard Bank left.
Shut your mouth. Whatever, shut your mouth. You just keep running your mouth and running your mouth. Video 2, just hear them.
And never right. As you, me too, left.
Quit running your mouth, man. And we're over on the northwest corner, Mr. Steve Austin reading the mail.
Good evening, Mr. Steve Austin.
Quit running your mouth. Right back, Baker Man. Sound fabulous in San Francisco Bay, Baker Man. Come on. Good evening, Mr. Steve Austin. Stop. Buzzard, Baker Man, break. Yes, sir. Have a wonderful evening.
Hey, Steve Austin, can you tell Baker Man that Buzzard sent the friendly 5 and said hello? Steve Austin, Buzzard Bank.
Hey, Buzzard, tell Steve Austin, you gonna make Steve Austin, he's off the key. Buzzard. Hey, Buzzard, when he's off the key, I can tell him there, 10-4. Alright, no conditions, I'm back listening. Who is it around the northwest corner, 510, the Bay Area with the wave? Take care, Crazy Charlie. You sound like a local on the Bay Area, Mr. Crazy Charlie and everybody else, son. Hello, bird dog. Hello, bird dog. I'm in your doghouse right there. Well, can you hear me? Take care, bird dog and lady bird dog. Super good copy. Bird dog, lady bird dog, super good copy. Hello, 210, right back. Hello, 210, right back.
I guess won't nobody recognize him if he talks like that, so I guess I ain't gonna say nothing to him. I bank left.
Well, I don't want to break your radio. I'm trying to talk quiet there, 10-4. Talk to the radio, come on down to the back of the...
Well, you know how it go, man. I mean, you could save my radio, but I don't know, man. I don't need no radio saved, that break.
Yeah, 10-4. This is how it is during the daytime. I'm trying to be quiet at nighttime. This is how it is during the day, but I'm trying to keep quiet because it's nighttime. I got down.
Okay, well, I'll stop talking to you so you could get quiet, but I just want you to know that somebody was hearing you. You wasn't incognito, but you know how it is. But you have a great evening. Your Buzzard, bank left.
Charlie, take care, Charlie. Take care. Yeah, you don't want to wave a hand at the grocery. Hey, Crazy Charlie, I guess yeah, you don't want to say hello to the grocery getter, the mobile on Northern Cal, kid. You don't want to wave it. Alright, hey, Buzzard, Crazy Charlie said hello to you. Buzzard.
You tell that cat making Crazy Charlie I said hello right back. You tell that Crazy Charlie hello right back.
He said hello right back, Crazy Charlie.
At 510, I'm not ignoring you, bro. When you key up, that's the first time I heard you call my handle 510, so ain't no use to down there trying to start no mess, man. When I hear you, I talk to you. 510, Buzzard, bank left.
That's cause 510 gotta wait till I'm done. Hey, Buzzard. That's cause 510 gotta wait till I'm done down here around the bay. When I got this thing keyed down, he gonna have to wait his turn. I got down. Yeah, Buzzard, 510 in the grocery getter trying to get down.
Yeah, right. Well, 510, I did not hear you until I ain't even gonna call his handle. He said I wasn't gonna hear you. So when I hear you, man, I'll talk to you. I'm gonna say good evening to you, man. But just cause you can't get to me, man, don't start blaming it on me. You gotta make my radio talk. 510 Buzzard Bank.
Oh man, it's kinda like I can hear everybody around you and everybody around, but I can't get your destination. I just wanna know what city is you in. everybody around you and everybody all up on that channel. But somehow I can't get into your radio. Hey, Buzz, I don't know where I'm in now, but I thank the man upstairs for letting me take a ride with Mother Nature. The good shit get is getting down.
And that's right, no doubt about it, 510. Don't go away mad, man. Like I said, if you make my radio talk, now they thought it was going to be some scraps, so none of them keyed up just to see what was going to go down. But I'm not fighting with nobody on no radio, sure ain't. But like I said, you make my radio talk, I'll talk to you, 510. Your Buzz at Northwest Corner, biggest duck, and I bank left.
Well, I want you to know, Baker Man, did we ever have Baker Man 1930? Just say hello. 510 slow.
You tell Baker Man hello right back, no doubt about it. Hey, 510, you tell Baker Man right back. 510, your Buzz at bank.
And there it is, Baker Man, he said right back. He said he right back. I guess he said he talked to his radio. So I guess I finally got conditions to get into.
Be careful there, Baker Man.
He did say hello right back. Hey, Buzz at bank and left, and I'm sitting reading the mail around the back of...
That cotton picking buzzard's over there sending you a friendly fight, but that cotton picker's flying around with his tail feathers spread. And, you know, he's been chewing up all these people all night long. You know what he's gonna do, so stay in front of him. I'm going.
Hey, Buzzer, let me put all them ducks in the corner. 27 getting down.
Oh, there you go. You
That's right, 27. Good evening, good afternoon to you. Squeaker on the mall right now so I can say something to you. 27 Buzz at bank.
You stay out of the back of his cotton picking way, cause that cotton picker chewed up a bunch of people. He's fixing to take a dump and he's looking for somebody, so stay out of his reach.
Me and this little glass driver around down and down. Back of the bay. Yeah, one of these days I'll have to put you in.
Behave yourself down there, Goldfinger.
Alright, I'll behave myself. Hey, Buzzer, man, I don't know if you heard.
845, old Baker Man put a friendly 5 in the air and said to say hello to you. Anyway, good evening, Mr. Goldfinger. I'm stepping.
Quad around Sacktown, getting down. Yeah, somebody reading the mail. I'm already trying to put the mail down. I already finished reading the mail. Wrecking ball, break. I hear the 200 watts. I hear those 200 watts on the... Hey, Crazy Charlie, good to hear you from me. Hello, Chaos, wrecking ball, waving. You were the first one, big trigger finger. Hey, Chaos, you got a quick trigger finger, wrecking ball, waving. Crazy Charlie, California. Getting down. Mr. 340, Mr. Wrecking Ball. Oh, you passed me on, Hey, Squeaker, tell, log trucker. Hey, Squeaker, tell log trucker on the way of 2. Hello, Mr. Squeaker, Wrecking Ball, waving 4 fingers to the thumb. The back of the bay, we're out there.
Well, you put a pretty good stress test on it, no doubt. Yeah, you like winning them 1 pills and 2 pills, putting them to the test. Hey, log trucker, good evening time to you and the other half there, man. Hope you guys are doing good up there. You're waving in between 9 and 3S units, so it may not stay, but it was stronger just a little bit earlier from your neck of the woods. Anyway, I keyed it down, I heard it all, and I just wanted to let you know I said a great big hello. Mr. Log Trucker way up north. Me and my small station in the middle stepped on down.
I'll see ya.
See you later, Donnie. Bye-bye. Tell him I said hello.
Hello, Turk. I'm just doing a hit and run, man. I just want to say happy duty, man. I'm going to get out in the middle of the road. Oh, Trucker, it's been a long time. Definitely get to hear you bumping it down around Northern Cal. Log Trucker. 27, Sacktown, waving. I'll see you. Baker, man, when he gets off the key, I'll tell him. Hey, log trucker, you tell Ratchet. I'm definitely glad to hear you bumping it down. Tell Ratchet, Mr. Steve Austin, he's doing here. So I'm trying to behave myself, but Baker man jumped in and said he wanted me to wave 4 fingers and a thumb to you. So I'm just relaying. Hey, log trucker, 27, got to do a hit and run. I'll see you. Bye.
What it do, fall out again? What it do, fall out again? Yo, buzz it around Oregon and our bank left. Yeah, Mother Nature fading out, man. I heard somebody say something, but I couldn't understand the word they said, so I'm gonna get on out of here too. Yo, buzz it around Oregon and our bank left.
What you talking about? Hey, Buffy, there's all kind of conditions in there. What you talking about? Mr. Austin got down.
Oh, hell, yeah, 30 dBs, Mr. Austin. Hey, Mr. Austin, you walked up and hit 30 dBs, and that's pretty good for this 2980. Hey, Mr. Austin, how's it going today, break?
All is well. It's cooling down just a little bit down here around the base, so that's a good thing. Hey, log trucker.
Isn't that right, Mr. Austin? All right. Well, let me get on out of Mr. Austin. I've been doing a whole lot of talking to log truck out here now, man. I don't want to be keying down on him, no doubt about it. Mr. Austin, your buzzer, and our bank left now. Good day.
Mr. Austin, West Coast is quiet. Good afternoon to you, Steve Austin and that bionic radio. Dirty Sanchez around Oregon is reading the mail. Hello, Dirty Sanchez. Right back. Have a good evening. Yeah, Dirty Sanchez down here north of Sacramento. The Squeaker, 635. And my wiki base station just got down. Alright, 635, ain't no wiki station. Get on with my radio. Good evening to you. I'm gonna get out of the way and I'm back quiet. Well, hello right back to all you guys in the northwest corner. Have a good evening. Mr. Steve Austin in San Francisco got down. Down here in full swing. On my way to on the way with that buzzard up there. Waving right back. Loudest first on the township. Right back, Undertaker. Have a great night yourself. Hey, Undertaker, have a great night yourself. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Where is Undertaker coming from? Where is Undertaker coming from, your buzzard, and I bank left?
I'm not sure where you're coming from. But, hey, hello, right back, my old friend. Hey, Mr. Green, right back at you.
Somebody having some trouble with their audio. Somebody's having one hell of a time with the audio and buzzard banking.
Hello. Wrecking ball with a weekend wave.
Good evening, Wrecking Ball. Good evening, Wrecking Ball, your buzzard. And I'm banking left now, good day.
Hey, keep on doing what you're doing. Sounded real good around Sacramento. Buzzard, 340, Wrecking Ball in the clear. Yeah, here's somebody. Baker Man. Hey, Baker Man, you see like it's working. Well, like it's working. Let me see what's going on. 2-7 back in the bushes. Blasted through everything.
Oh, that was 2-7 having trouble with his radio, with his mic or something. All right, 2-7 buzzard gonna be sitting back, man. No doubt about it. 2-7, my bank.
The loudest radio. Bye, buzzard. Bye, buzzard. Wrecking Ball said bye. Yeah, I ain't here, 2-7. Hey, buzzard. Have a good evening. Wrecking Ball, I'm in the clear. I'll see you. Bye.
You had a dead key, but you ain't got no audio. 27, my bank.
Hey, buzzard. 27 just got out the front. Audio. Yeah, I got a sticky relay in this 101 is what I got going on. Hey, buzzard. Hey, Baker Man, I got a sticky relay in this 101 of what's going on. I gotta get back up there to 102 and get it worked on. Buzzard. Baker Man, 2-7 back getting down.
Okay, 2-7, no doubt about it. It's transmitting now. I'm gonna get out of Baker Man's way. 2-7 buzzard bank.
There we go. One. No, it's in the switch. Hey, Baker Man, I think it's in the mode switch. Hey, Baker Man, it's in the mode switch is where it's at. I gotta play with the mode switch and get it going. Hey, Baker Man, I gotta clean the mode switch. I'll see you, bud. 27 radio check right now, 410. Thanks for, 410. Thanks for that. Nope. Hey, I gotta put some deox in it, man. I gotta go up there and, I gotta hold it all the way to the right, hard towards the AM side, so I gotta get it cleaned up. And 7 back with problems. I'll see you, bud.
Have a good evening, 27. Swinging my beam, your direct.
direction. I was looking up north, or south or something, but right there it is. I'm gonna shut it down, man. Having 101 issues. Baker man. Me and that old transmitter are having issues. I'll see you. Have a good evening, 24. And good thing is I got a backup to the backup. I'll have another one in line tomorrow, warmed up, ready to go, and I'll get this one cleaned up. Hey, Baker man, have a good weekend. Me and this old 20-foot quad and this 101 getting down. I'll see ya.
Tell Baker man to get on back in there and cook some more cookies and cut out all that talking.
Hey, Buzz, you said make you some more cookies, and we're gonna split the batch. Hey, Buzzer, you told me to tell Baker man to make some more cookies and send half the batch to you and half the batch to me. Buzzer, while you're circling, 27 back reading the mail.
Isn't that right? 27, no doubt about it. Sounding good now. It's not breaking up now. It's doing its thing. All right, 27. I'm gonna get out of the way. I just want to poke at Baker man 27 Buzzard Bank.
Hey Sanchez, everybody want cookies. Log trucker want cookies. Hey Baker man, everybody said get off of the walkie-talkie and get back, and we all want cookies. Hey Baker man, you got a tall order, man. And sorry we missed your break, but you know we had our James Boy picnic the same day, so hopefully June will catch you next year. Baker man, get back and making cookies. 27, getting quiet. Bye, Baker man. Bye, log trucker. Bye, Buzzard. Bye, Dirty Sanchez. Man, I gotta get back to my company, man. I just came out here to keep bumping down to let everybody know on the West Coast I'm here. You guys have a good night in the Northwest corner. Me and this audio 101 getting out. I'll see you.
Bye, Ratchet. You lost your audio again. I'll see you.
Take care, 27.
Take care, 27. I didn't hear him lose his audio. His audio was there. Good evening to you, log trucker Buzzard Banking.
I hear you, bird dog. He's got too many cookies on his mind. He can't hear you, Buzzard. I hear where you're coming.
Oh yeah, okay then. Yeah, I'm turned 2 south now. All right, I'm out of the way.
Ease it over there, Buzzer.
It's working. I'm getting hungry with the cheeseburgers. Bird dog, you said something about cheeseburgers, and I'm just about getting hungry about now. I think I'm going to Carl's Jr.'s. Mr. Bird Dog, wrecking ball, going out for a hamburger break. He said he's going to have some buttermilk. He said he's going to put some Mr. Green. That's what he said he's going to do. Get some buttermilk and some chocolate chip cookies. Good old Baker man. And